Hello everyone, my name is Sabana Nasution. Today, I would like to share my views on the President of the Republic Indonesia, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. Mr. Prabowo Subianto is later known for his decisiveness, discipline, and strong nationalism. Before becoming president, he had extensive experience in the military and politics, even serving as Minister of Defense of the Republic of Indonesia. This extensive experience exhibited his leadership character. Terima kasih. Simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tense used to express event that occurs regularly, routinely, or commonly done in the present. What does present mean? Present in simple present tense means now, then simple and tense is the form of the verb according to the temperate use. When is simple present tense used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening now. What is the simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 plus complement for positive tenses with a verbal pattern. If the pattern is nominal, the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb plus complement. Simple tense nominal, or is the simple present tense formula that you can see plus subject plus to be plus complement, negative subject plus to be plus not plus complement, interrogative to be plus subject plus complement. Example of simple present tense with nominal tense patterns. Positive, I am international school student, I am a student. Negative, she is not an international school student, she is not a student. Interrogative, she is an international school student, is a student. Subject, I predikat am complement noun in Indonesia kata benda. Subject you, they, we, plural subject, predikat are, complement adjective in Indonesia kata sifat. Subject has a singular subject, predikat is, complement verb atau kata keterangan. Verbal simple present tense di formula plus negative interrogative of the simple present tense for the verbal pattern is plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement, negative subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement, interrogative do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. In accordance with the previous discussion, in verbal tenses, you do not need to add to be after the subject because the verb is the one that is in charge of being the predikat. Subject ayu, they, we, plural subject, predikat verb 1, complement noun, complement adjective. Subject he, she, it, singular subject, predikat verb 1 or s, complement, adverb, atau kata keterangan. So if you make a tense with third person subject, he, she, it, regular subject, there are some verbs that must be added with at the end. Example: classes, studies, boys, videos, potatoes. Positive or affirmative simple present tense is like nominal verbal tenses also have positive form as we have discussed at the beginning. Example of simple present tenses: I live in Jakarta. Saya tinggal di Jakarta. He lives in Jakarta. Dia tinggal di Jakarta. Okay, negative simple present tense. Well, specifically for negative tenses and interrogative tenses, use do or does or do not and does not. Example: I don't live in Bandung. Saya tidak tinggal di Bandung. She don't live in Bandung. Dia tidak tinggal di Bandung. Okay, next. Simple present question interrogative. In the question tense patterns, it is divided into two parts, namely is or no question, do I work, or does he work. Okay, next. Example of simple present tense positive tenses. Number 1, she want to be a doctor. Number 2, he likes bananas. Negative tenses. Number 1, they don't have any money. Number 2, you don't listen to me. Interrogative tenses. Number 1, does play tennis. Number 2, does your father drink coffee. Okay, next. The time out for that we will discuss as another verb, normally, adverb of frequency, actually, the more or not, was present in a very simple present tense tenses. Oke, lanjut. Time most of adverb time biasanya bisa ditulis usually, habitually, normally, generally. Selalu, always, jarang, seldom, rarely, sering, often, kadang-kadang, sometimes, tidak pernah, never, hampir tidak pernah, hardly never, setiap minggu, every week, setiap hari, every day, setiap bulan, every month, 4 kali, 4 times a day, 4 kali seminggu, 4 times a week, sebulan sekali, once a month. Okay, next. What are the characteristics of simple present tense? Sentences. Number 1, using verb in term, basic form, or infinitive, or familiar, irregular verbs. Example: I play soccer every weekend. Play is a or play is verb in its basic form. Number 2, using auxiliary verb, normally, do or does, or verbal tenses in negative and interrogative forms. Example: she does eat meat, or does not. Auxiliary verb in the negative form for the subject. See, do you like chocolate? Do or auxiliary perform questions with the subject you. Number 3. In the present tense, there are usually a verb of times, use twice, usually, often, rarely, never, every, die, week, or one, or year. Example, I was drinking coffee in the morning. Okay, next, fraction use with simple present tense. I should form expressing facts. When can we use the simple present tense in S tenses? Fraction N use simple present tense. Number 1, general truth, generalization, or facts, or planning curtain pass. In the world, we cannot escape from absolute truth or general truth with generalization mean truth that cannot be challenged. So, simple present tense is tenses form state smoothing. Conrad example of stand is the earth revolves around the sun, or bumi berevolusi mengelilingi matahari. Number 1, habitual or daily activities or expressing something that I was happening repeatedly. If you heard the word habit, you can definitely use it meaning easily. Yep. Simple present tense also vacation to show habit or daily activities or schedules that you do rapidly. Example, we go to school by bus every morning. Or Indonesia, kita pergi ke sekolah menggunakan bus setiap pagi. Terima kasih.